Hi there! So, you've learned about how tools can make you more effective. Now let's learn more about the different types of tools used in project management. These include scheduling and work management software and tools for productivity and collaboration. Let's get started. One common tool type is scheduling and work management software. There are lots of different types of work management software on the market, including popular tools like these. Certain tools may work better for your project depending on a bunch of things. For example, the project methodology you're running or the number of tasks and people involved. So, why would you choose to use scheduling and work management software? Well, it can be really useful for assigning tasks to multiple teammates and for tracking progress on that work. It can also help you visualize your team's progress. For example, if you're using work management software to assign and track tasks, you're more likely to notice if your team completes 50 tasks one week and just 3 tasks the following week. That's a clear sign that you need to check in to see if there's a problem that's blocking progress. If you hadn't been tracking their tasks, you might not have noticed the issue. That's part of the reason why work management software is so useful. It provides an overview of how the project is going, so you know when you need to check in with your teams to get tasks back on track. Another type of project management tool we'll discuss is tools for productivity. Productivity tools can be very helpful for you and your team. This includes word processing tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You can use these to create shared documents with the team, like the project charter we taught you how to fill out earlier. You can also use these tools to build documents like meeting agendas and status updates, and we'll talk more about these in a later course. Spreadsheets are another useful productivity tool. They're versatile, and you can use them to make documents like RACI charts and project plans, as well as other helpful charts you'll learn more about in a later course. And presentations created in tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides can be a great way to package your project in a visual, easily digestible way. Now, let's discuss collaboration tools, which you'll probably rely on to work closely with your teammates. These include tools you're probably familiar with, like email and chat. Tools like this can help you quickly and efficiently check in with each other on questions, comments, and other topics related to the project. Productivity tools like documents and spreadsheets, and collaboration tools like email and chat are all pretty simple, which means they're great for smaller projects with fewer tasks and teammates to keep track of. Scheduling and work management software is better for bigger projects with a larger number of tasks and a bigger team of people to manage. Cool! You've learned more about the types of tools available to you, including scheduling and work management software, productivity tools, and collaboration tools. We'll spend the next video diving a bit deeper on some of the most popular project management tools out there. Meet you there!